The wide popularity of drones has been helped tremendously by the fact that these exciting flying machines are available at very affordable prices these days. While this encourages people from all ages, right from young kids to adult rookies, to try their hand at flying drones, most machines still require a certain degree of expertise before you can fly them without hitting other people or crashing into buildings. Thankfully, there are some drones in the market now that are equally convenient for beginners as well. These might be simple to control, but are certainly not simplistic, and the RC Stunt Drone Quadcopter from Wonder Chopper is a good example.
Here we go!
This quadcopter, which means a drone with 4 rotors, is particularly great for beginner and intermediate users from ages 10 and above. Apart from being tried outdoors, its lightweight design, clocking just 0.1 pounds, is perfect for indoor flying too. This means that you can enjoy it no matter what the conditions outside are, and you can even set your hand on its controls before taking it out to show it to your friends. Its lightweight also means that it does not require FAA registration for flying. What makes the Wonder Chopper RC drone so easy to fly is its 6-axis design that makes the gyroscope adjustable and stable. The adjustable speed function also lets you set your own pace and try it out at relatively slower speeds at the beginning. The useful LED lights let you fly the drone at night without straining to locate the machine while it's in the air. Plus, the 2.4 GHz 4-channel remote controller is built for quicker and improved control while consuming less battery. What's more, even when you are a beginner, you can impress people with some cool stunts using the separate 360-degree flip feature. Other advantages of this drone include its durable and crash-proof build with screw-reinforced 3-bladed propellers for better thrust and energy efficiency compared to 2-bladed propellers. The flight time compared to most other drones in this category is also superior, with 2 fully charged batteries giving you a total time in air of 12 minutes. The drone works on li-polymer 3.7-volt 300 mAh batteries, which take about 60 minutes to charge completely. 2 of these rechargeable batteries are provided with the package. The package also includes 2 USB chargers, replacement blades, and a very handy practice landing pad. With its very affordable price and simple use and care, the Wonder Chopper RC Stunt Drone can be a perfect gift for all seasons for the youngsters in your family, and a great way to introduce them to the joys of flying a machine. It scores quite well in the user reviews too, with an average score of 3.7 on 5 from over 250 customers. The drone seems to deliver on its USP, which is easy flyability, with multiple users lauding it for this feature. That's all from us for now on the Wonder Chopper RC Stunt Drone Quadcopter. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of drones here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.